If you're looking to completely transform your bedroom or any living space with vibrant, customizable lighting, the Govee 100 feet Robic LED strip lights offer one of the most advanced and user-friendly experiences available today. These LED lights come in two 50-foot rolls, giving you a full 100 feet of lighting flexibility, perfect for wrapping around ceilings, under beds, behind TVs, or even lining your entire room. What sets this Govee model apart is its RGBIC technology, which allows individual segments of the strip to display multiple colors at the same time, unlike traditional RGB strips where only one color can be shown at once. This creates a far more dynamic and immersive visual experience, whether you're setting the mood for a party, gaming session, movie night, or just relaxing. The strip lights are fully smart-enabled, working seamlessly with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can control them hands-free with simple voice commands to change colors, brightness, or turn them on and off. The setup is straightforward. Once installed, the Govee Home app, available on iOS and Android, lets you unlock full control. Through Wi-Fi, not just Bluetooth, you can access an extensive suite of features remotely. There are dozens of scene modes, customizable effects, scheduling functions, and a DIY mode where you can create your own segmented lighting patterns. You can even sync the lights to music using your phone's microphone or the optional Govee music box, which adds rhythm-reactive lighting for a high-energy vibe. The adhesive backing is strong, and Govee includes mounting clips to ensure secure installation, especially for ceiling placements or around corners. The brightness levels are impressive, with 5,050 LED beads producing vivid, saturated colors across a wide spectrum. These lights can go from soft ambient hues to powerful party-level intensity. The ability to adjust brightness on a granular level makes it great for winding down at night or turning up the energy during the day. The color transitions are smooth, and animations are fluid, thanks to the segment control that creates wave, gradient, and ripple effects in real time. In terms of durability and build quality, the strip lights are well made, flexible, and long-lasting. Govee has designed this kit for indoor use, especially for bedrooms, dorms, gaming rooms, or home studios. And despite its advanced capabilities, the lights are highly energy efficient. Over extended use, they won't spike your power bill, even if you leave them on for hours. One of the most appreciated features is scene scheduling and automation. You can set up routines, for example, having a gentle sunrise effect wake you up in the morning or a calming blue hue dim down as you fall asleep. And because these are smart Wi-Fi enabled lights, they can be integrated into broader smart home routines using Alexa or Google Routines.